Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing a weekly clean with me, so just stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Nikki. I'm going to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so if you are new around here, you may not know that I am a homeschool mom. And I thought that I was super ready for summer. I was ready for a break. I was expecting to have super lazy days, but y'all, summer is kicking my rear. As you can see, I am way behind on laundry, and it's because we basically haven't been here. I have been getting things washed and dried, but I really haven't been able to get to the whole folding things and putting them away. So I don't like to start clean with me's doing laundry, but this particular day, this was really how I needed to start my day. I knew that if I did anything besides this first, that I would probably just let this sit here and not get it done. So that's why I'm starting this video off with this. It's because on a summer day, actually this week has just been crazy busy because we've had VBS and things like that. And so today, to start the day out, I knew that this is where I needed to start. So I'm going to get all of my laundry folded and put away. This is a Friday that I'm filming this. We had a busy weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, and so I wanted to make sure that everything was put away. I wanted to make sure that the house was nice and clean going into the weekend. We were going to be in and out a good bit. We were going to be going to the lake. We had things to do Sunday, different things. So I wanted to make sure that I got everything done. I got all my grocery shopping done this day. I didn't film that because that's not part of cleaning, but it was a busy day and I did manage to get it all done. So I'm going to finish putting this laundry away and then we can actually start cleaning my house. Alright, so in here, now that all of the laundry is gone, I can make my bed. So I'm going to make my bed and then I am going to vacuum the floor in here, but that's really about all I'm going to have to do in here. Alright, so now we're going to move into the kitchen. I need to put the coffee maker away, and then you can see some clean dishes over there on the counter. Henry emptied the dishwasher this morning, and there's just lots of things that he can't reach to put away, so I'm going to get those put away real quick, and then I'm going to do the few dishes that are right here. I'm going to wipe the counters down real quick, and then that's all I'm going to do in here for right now. Y'all know that I'm always changing things up and moving things around, and my kitchen is no different. For a very long time, I say a long time, like since Christmas, I think, I had some big canisters in here on the counter, kind of over there between the Keurig and where you see the bananas. like up above the dishwasher area. I had 2 canisters. I had like one for flour and one for sugar, and I liked that it was just nice and simple. But we don't even use flour and sugar anymore, so I put those in the cabinet, and I've kind of been playing around with different things. Hillary from Old World Home has been talking about mixed metals lately, and she really had some good thoughts. I really like mixed metals. One day we're eventually going to change up like the cabinets in our kitchen. We're going to paint them, and I really dislike our hardware very much. We're going to change it, but that's not on the plans for like super soon or anything. So the point in all of that was to tell you that I've been thinking more intentionally about the things that are on my kitchen counter. I like mixed metals. I have decided that I'm going to keep oil rub bronze as the main metal in our home, because when we moved into this house, we changed out all of the door hardware to oil rub bronze, and that's not something that I want to have to repurchase. We have slowly been changing all of the light fixtures to oil rub bronze. So what I'm going to do is on my kitchen counters, I want all of my little decor pieces to be gold and silver. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do for the faucet yet. I'm thinking about chrome, and then the cabinet hardware, I think I want to be oil rub bronze. So I'm definitely going to have a mix, but that is a look that I enjoy. And that white platter that's over there, white bowl, that's just temporary because, like I said, I've been moving things around and I'm still kind of trying to figure out what I want to purchase. I've been selling some things so that I can buy some different things. So all of that is kind of in the process of changing. Alright, so my house didn't really feel very messy or dirty this week, and I think it's really just because we weren't here a whole lot. There were a couple days that one of my sons had some friends over for a couple of days, but other than that, we kind of just weren't really here that much, which kind of worked out because I didn't have as much cleaning to do, except for my floors. Y'all, my floors were filthy. I know you can't really tell on camera, but there is all kinds of stuff on the floors, and I definitely am going to be vacuum and mopping, and that really is going to be most of the focus for this video, other than that huge pile of laundry. I'm so glad to have that done. So I'm just going to vacuum, and then I'll mop, and I am going to do this kind of a section at a time. So like right now I'm in the dining room, I'm going to vacuum in here, and then I will do a mop in here so that I can just kind of keep moving that way through the house. Today I am super pressed for time, so to mop I'm going to be using my Rubbermaid Reveal mop. It does have an e-cloth mop pad on it, and I really like the e-cloth pad. It does a great job. It's super quick. My floors feel super clean after, and I really can't say enough good things about it. Alright, so those of you that have kids, I want to know, how is your summer going? Has it been super relaxing? Has it been crazy busy? What have y'all been up to? We're actually going to take kind of a short summer this year. We are going to start school early July. I'm kind of excited about it and kind of not excited about it. At this point, I feel like it's going to be a good thing because for whatever reason, like I've said, our pace has just been super busy, and I feel like it might kind of help slow things down a little bit. I don't know. I might be just wishing that. I'm not sure. But I am excited about it. We're going to be doing 6 weeks on and then a week off. That's not something that we've ever done before, but I'm looking forward to it because I feel like it's going to give us a lot of extra little breaks in between that are really going to help with like burnout and things like that, because y'all, sometimes this mama is just ready for a break. Those of you that have kids in school that go to school, whether it be public school or private school, are you still enjoying your kids being home from the summer? Are you finding plenty of things for them to do? Or are you ready to send them back to school? Let me know down below. So what kind of activities are y'all doing this summer? We have had VBS already. Cade is going to be going to camp here in a couple of weeks. Henry is probably going to be going to a sports camp. I think I've already said we had VBS. We have been doing a lot of swimming. We've been going to the lake. We've had friends over. We've met with friends to go swimming, things like that. So y'all let me know, what are y'all doing this summer to stay busy? Alright guys, so in the living room, all I really have to do is straighten up cushions, blankets, and pillows, and then I am going to do a quick vacuum in here, but that's really all that I need to do, except for my desk. You will see my desk here at the very end, but you won't see it until then. And it's not terrible, it just has stacks of homeschool stuff. I had to work on getting grades inputted for the year, and like I've been going through work, I'm going through books, all those things that you have to do at the end of the school year. I kind of procrastinated this year and left it, but anyway, so you'll see some of that stuff on my desk here in a minute. But other than that, that's really all I have to do. I'm putting Tucker's bone away. He had a little chew bone over there on the rug. That's where he likes to lay. So anyway, this pretty much is going to do it for today's Clean With Me. This has been a busy summer week, and I didn't really have a whole lot to do. I really just needed to straighten things up and get my floors clean, and we're going to be good to go. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Clean With Me. If you are new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you enjoy cleaning videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.